Server.com. So today in this video series I am going to tell you about the cheap dedicated services that our company is providing. Now, as you all know that Onlive Server is one of the leading providers of cheap dedicated and VPS server across the globe, that we are right now dealing in 35 plus locations across the world. So in this series I am going to tell you about our USA dedicated server plans. What you have to do, you have to just enter our domain, that is onliveserver.com, in your browser. Here you will find the name of our here you will find our website. And suppose in the starting I want to tell you, if you are facing any issue, then what you can do, you can just click on the let's chat window and you can just chat with one of our representative who will help you out. Now what you have to do, on the dashboard you will find dedicated server link. You just go and click on dedicated server USA. Now here you can see that this is our page of USA dedicated server. Now here what you will find, as you scroll down you will find there are various plans. Now here first of all I want to tell you, see, first 7 plans are located for our Kansas City data center and next 4 plans are located for our Texas, California or New York data center. So suppose if you are planning out for a server with your physical data center located in Texas, California or New York, then obviously you can go from DSX8 to DSX11. And suppose you are looking out for Kansas City data center, then obviously you can go with the DSX1 to DSX7 plan. Okay, so right now here you can see that for Kansas City data center I had already made a separate video. There you can see. Now this is the if these are the 4 servers which are for Texas, California and New York data centers. Now suppose you are interested for DS, so what you can do, you can just click on any of the link. This is buy now. This will be moved on to a card link. So it is like, suppose you are having a requirement, you are in need of a server, okay, you have some technical requirement and you just gone through all this information and you feel that DSX10 is best for you. So see, here is the main server detail, that is the processor is of 2 into Intel Xenon, okay, CPU cores is 20 cores, 40 threads, CPU speed is 3.60 GHz, RAM is of 64 GB, storage is 2 into 1 TB, okay, SATA, bandwidth is 20 terabyte monthly bandwidth, okay. And here is the billing cycle, whether you can want to have monthly, quarterly, semi-annually or annually billing cycle. And these are the basic details, whether you want /30/29 IP address or you want operating system, whether Linux, CentOS or Windows, or you want control panel. You can just select any of the options here as per your need. Always remember to fill this NS1 and NS2 as by default option. This is your order summary sheet and here is the amount which you have to pay monthly, okay. Now what you have to do, you have to just click on continue. As soon as you click on continue, this will be processed, okay. This will be redirecting it to the checkout page. Now what you have to do, you have to just click on checkout, and as soon as you click on checkout, this is the checkout form, okay. Please fill all the details very carefully and always remember to enter your correct email address, otherwise your server might get suspended. Now what you have to do, you have to just go and click on these payment options and you have to complete the order. As soon as you will do this step, obviously your server will be redirected to our technical team who will receive your order and then they will process it and they will deliver you in the next 12 to 24 hours. So this was all for the Texas and New York data center, where we are having our physical data center, and it was all about USA dedicated plans. All the plans are clearly mentioned on our website. You can just go through them and then you can have a look at what is the best plan suitable as per your technical requirement. So this was all about this plan. If you have any more information, you can just comment it down or you can just chat with us.